Hello, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. Today we have a 2017 Chevrolet 3500 with the 6.0 V8 Vortec gas engine. Only 82,000 miles on the odometer. If you're wondering how you can buy this Chevy, we take cash payments and we offer very competitive financing. Check out our commercial credit pre-check down below. If you want to come in and look around, we always have a huge inventory of box trucks to choose from. You can also execute a purchase via phone and email, and we can deliver to you nationwide. This Supreme cargo body has an aluminum pull-out loading ramp. The cargo box measures 15 foot long and includes plywood lining, D-rings, LED lighting, and a hardwood floor. If you need E-Track or any other kind of modifications, just ask. We can do it. And if you haven't done so, please hit that like and subscribe button to see more content just like this. Here is our 82,000 mile, 6.0 liter V8 Vortec gas engine. Definitely the best gas engine on the road today. If you're looking for low maintenance and tons of longevity, be sure to consider the 6.0. Moving into the cab, it is in very nice condition. These do come pretty basic with manual windows and locks, but besides that, it has most every other accessory that you've come to expect in a 2017. The majority of our Chevys have been one-owner fleet vehicles coming right out of Oklahoma City. They've been very well maintained, and once we get them, they undergo our road-ready service and inspection process. So you can expect to get a vehicle that is ready to go to work today. Let me ask you, do you need seating for three? Then ask us about our third man jump seat with the seatbelt. No reason to have your employees sitting on a 5-gallon bucket. Give us a call here at 405-912-5800. And as always, my name is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business.